odd to actually be here now. The fact we're actually here is a bit surreal. About 18 months in the process, and I know it looks a bit bleak, but in 24 hours we'll be all ready. So yeah, I'm excited.
Packs from Kakao going in the goodie bag for the VIPs.
Do you know what my stand is?
Yeah, just there.
How's it all going so far?
Yeah, good. We're starting early, bright and early start. Not too bad. See a few people coming in already. Just doing all the grunt work moving right now.
Have you come across any hurdles?
No, not so far. Just sweating from lifting.
A long time in the planning. From the outside, it just looks like we've been doing small incremental additions to the show over the last year or so, but we've always been planning towards this. The Friday, biggest surface area, the trade nights, it's all been planning and a small piece of the puzzle to make sure that we had the sufficient data to make sure this was good and to make sure we could pull this off. So touch wood, hopefully we've done that properly. How are they going to inflate him and then?
Yeah, so there's a fan in his head. Although apparently they didn't realise the fan was in his head, so we didn't have enough rigging points, so he was going to like just spin. We've added another rigging point at the final hour.
That would have been quite funny.
Yeah, I was saying,
just
like he's having a good time going around like this.
Is it exciting seeing Hector go up?
It's so exciting. He's our little mascot. Not so little. No, he's massive. He's massive. Oh, look at him! Oh my god, I love it!
That
I know.
was the biggest conundrum you've given me so far.
Really, why?
Because it's not easy to sort it out. So I'm not doing it next year.
Yeah, you are. Yeah, you have to.
How's the day going for you guys?
Not bad. It's flown by actually. Yeah, time flies when you're making goodie bags.
How many rotations have you done?
I actually couldn't even tell you. There are thousands of goodie bags here.
We're about halfway through setup day, it's about 1:30 right now. We've got all the tables in, all the shell schemes in, all the major sponsors and brand activations are built up. We've got the VIP zone just over there. Everything's set up now. We're about 1 hour away from shell schemes coming in and then 1 hour away from the table people coming in. So we are very close to being ready to go.
So what's it like being at the Excel?
Honestly, it's insane. I mean, we've been planning this for over a year now, and we've known how much space we've had. That's been 10,000 square meters. Had a look at it, done site visits all over the year, but still when I came in now, I just can't believe how big it is. And I think our attendees and vendors are going to be really shocked when they see just how big it is. It's such a huge upgrade from Sandown. I can't believe we pulled it off, to be honest.
No more tables, no more tables. Right guys, could we just separate them into letters?
Yeah. Where's Lucy?
Something out the lactate.
Okay, help us sort these. Because we think we're missing loads. This is all we've got. Did you see F anyway? Did I start F?
Yeah, I've got F. Yeah.
You've got F, fantastic. What did you got?
Up to from 21 onwards.
81, 20, 20. There you go. Raw seat here.
Yeah. Here.
Apparently there's a sofa there.
There's a sofa and like loads of tables. You're not going to be able to move it.
No. You need to go find Steve or Maya and say they need to be moved ASAP Rocket.
Thank you, mate.
Am I taking F as well?
Yes. No, you've got
So have there been any challenges?
Any challenges, just the sheer scale of it. So getting all the tables in, the logistics of getting things like the cyber bus in, all of the sponsor stands, the fact that everyone has to book on ahead of time. The organisation of it has been like way more challenging, but I think it will pay off in the long run. I'm really excited to see it all come together. Everyone's in, all the vendors and tables are in, all the attendees are in, it's full and bustling with people, and to just see like that moment that it's all been built and it's all together.
Can't
Absolutely.
wait. Looking forward to it. It's
New venue,
the Excel, isn't it?
new setup, yeah.
It's going to be rammed, isn't it?
Yeah,
Can't
absolutely.
wait.
And that's what you want, isn't it? If you're doing an event this size, this many people, this many traders,
Yep.
we're obviously not from around this area, so you get to network with new people.
Show off our memorabilia.
Absolutely, that's why we're here, the fan cave.
It's gone up really quickly. Like I said, at 7 o'clock this morning when it was bleak, I was like, how's this going to come up? And there's been a few teething issues, as expected, with a lot. Yeah, it's come up very cool. Even just the small things like the merch stand, as you can see here, it's really cool how quickly and how when the team comes together, it's really cool. It comes up. But when you look at all the stands, it's just really cool. The vendors are starting to come in, a few of them. The shelving booths are starting to set up, so it's come together nicely. It's bubbling. Can't wait for it to erupt tomorrow for when the show actually starts.